How to download and install Brave browser. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the Brave browser on your Windows. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any browser you already have on your PC. Here I'm opening the Google Chrome for this video, but you can open any browser like Edge, Firefox or whatever you prefer. Now here once you have opened it, simply search for the Brave browser, and here on the search simply click on the first link, which should be the brave.com because that's the official site. And here once you are on the Brave homepage, simply click on the option labeled as Get Brave, and after the installer finishes downloading, you can simply open it to begin the installation process. And here if you see a security pop-up, just click on yes to allow it to run. Now just sit back while the Brave installer does its things, and it usually takes a minute or two depending on your system. And once the installation is complete, the Brave will automatically open. And that's it. That's how you can download and install Brave browser. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.